Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at color and background color. Now, before discussing the specifics of color, it's important to make two distinctions about the color. Color can affect the following design aspects: the foreground color and the background color. Foreground color is the color that an element appears in. For example, when a heading is styled to appear green, the foreground of the heading has been styled. Conversely, when a heading is styled so that the background appears yellow, the background color of the heading has been styled. In CSS, these two design aspects can be styled with either the color property or the background color property. Now, the color property is the property that styles an element's foreground, and the background is obviously self-explanatory there. It styles the background color. So for example, if we have the H1 elements and it has a color of red and a background color of blue, that means the main color is going to be red and the background is going to be blue. So in the example above, as we said, it's pretty straightforward, honestly. And then let's do some practice with this. So let's kind of take a look at the caption on the image at the bottom there, style there, and then the background color. Okay, set the background color in the caption to select white. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Style.css in the dot caption, we're gonna go ahead and do, let's see, we're gonna do background hyphen color. You're gonna have it at white. You're gonna run it, and as you see here, boom, you can't see it. Then in the same rule set the color to be black. Okay. Color, and then I'm gonna have it to be black. Let's run it. And there you go. Again, this doesn't look very clean. Like before it looked very clean, but now it just looks, But again, we're just playing around with the article here, so it's not too bad. But yeah, it looks pretty good right here. And that's essentially color and background color in a nutshell. Now we will also learn about opacity. Now, what opacity is, it's the measure of how transparent something is. It's measured from 0 to 1, with 1 representing 100% or fully visible, and 0 representing 0% or fully invisible. So opacity can be used to make elements fade into others for a nice overlay effect. To adjust the opacity of an element, the syntax looks like opacity, and then you can set it between a number between 0 and 1. In the example above, the dot overlay element has a 50% visibility, letting whatever is pushing behind it show through. So let's give the caption on the image some transparency. So in the dot caption, we'll go ahead and set opacity, and we'll set it to 0.75. Now, what if I just put 7.5? Do you think it'll work? It will work. It's the same thing, even if you don't put the 0. But it's nicer to put the 0, since it, just looks nicer. But yeah, we just made this, a bit more transparent essentially. So let's say we made it 0.5. Well, what would happen? Well, it goes even more, it just fades in even more basically. So we'll keep it at 7.5. And yeah, that's gonna end it right here. So that was both the color, the background color, and the opacity in a nutshell. And I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.